Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome pacifier weaning system from FridaBaby. So it's really, really cool. How it works is you have 5 different binkies and they are slowly like cut. But I like it because it's safe. All the edges are secure. It's not going to harm your baby and cause them to like choke on it. So this is the third one. This is the second one, so you can see the difference there. And it goes down, it goes all the way down to like number 5, where it's like completely cut off. Honestly, we used the first one, which is basically like a similar binky. It's just like a little cut. And my child already was like, yeah, no, I don't want this. So I really feel like this works really well. And I definitely recommend it. Hopefully you can cut your binky habit, or your kid can. And that is my point of view.